Now, your local weather authority forecast.
Cloud-free skies with cold air. That's the big story this morning. This is a live look at Midland early on your Tuesday morning. Still dark out there. The dark skies indicating the very clear skies. And we have a pretty good look at the Wilco building where before sunrise, we're under night vision. We're seeing those black and white colors. And with the clear skies, the light winds, the dry air above the surface, despite the humid surface, we're dealing with cold air. That's a good recipe for cold air. But later today, as southerly winds pick up, they'll pick up those temperatures. Satellite and radar showing, again, many starting off cloud-free. We do notice those wind particles moving from south to north, indicating the southerly flow in winds, although light, enough that we're not quite as cold as compared to the past morning or two. And a couple of days ago, we had a big storm system move through. Now that's in the mid-Atlantic, moving through the northeast. Rain on the southern side, snow in my stopping grounds in New Jersey, accumulating snow. This counterclockwise flow indicating a low pressure. Meanwhile, clockwise flow indicating high pressure here in the basin with stable air and higher temperatures eventually ahead as that clockwise flow moves off to our north and the east. Southerly and westerly winds will eventually really pick up later today. Clear skies, 31 officially at the airport in Midland. A little bit humid at the surface. 92% relative humidity, but we have good visibility and pretty calm winds. Again, humid at the surface, but because of high pressure aloft, we're not dealing with any really cloud formation. A lot of stagnant air above the surface right now and pretty cold air as a result. 31 in Midland, 31 in Big Spring. The cold spot this morning, Marfa, 21, but a bit more breezy there in Alpine, 36 in Fort Stockton, 41. Southerly winds keeping things there a little bit warmer compared to the rest of the basin, warming up in the high 50s, 60s, and low 70s today. Temperatures a little bit above normal by this time of the year's standards. Not too bad. Mid to upper 60s along I-20. I think this model slightly overestimating our temperatures. At least 70 today in Fort Stockton. Seasonally cold, 31 for your morning commute. We may drop to as low as 29, 30 this morning, but warming up quickly by noon. Mid to upper 50s, a bit more breezy, very sunny. High temperature, 65 today in Midland and Odessa. Pretty good day to enjoy the outdoors. Winds, again, very light, but starting to pick up there in Fort Stockton from the south-southwest, around 12 miles per hour. And those winds will pick up in the eastern areas of the basin from the south-southwest, especially in those blue and yellow colored areas. From Midland, Odessa, that Big Spring, winds picking up between 10 to 15 miles per hour. Clear skies overnight in the 40s, not as cold. Winds lightening up and switching more from the south-southeast from 5 to 15 miles per hour. Cloud-free skies this morning, but some wispy clouds move on through later this afternoon, not producing any rain or any snow. Make sure you guys have the sunglasses. Wispy clouds moving through overnight and for your early morning hour commute tomorrow morning, 8 a.m. for your Valentine's Day. Temperatures likely above freezing, 39 degrees. Not as chilly, but still seasonally pretty chilly out there. High temperature today, 65. Valentine's Day tomorrow, 70. High 60s late this week. Cooler by Saturday.